The biggest concern for today, just a little bit of that light snow drifting across our northern counties. It'll be less than an inch, mostly a dusting. It could make the evening commute a little bit slippery, but otherwise things are fairly mild for today. We are going to cool down this weekend, and we have a much bigger storm on the way for Saturday night. Now, most of Saturday will end up partly cloudy. Clouds will kind of track in through the afternoon with highs in the mid-20s. And then as we go through Saturday night, look at that, 100% chance for snow. It'll work its way out very early on Sunday morning, and then we're back to more sunshine, but a cold sunshine, 15 degrees there with a north wind that will pick up. And so as of right now, we have this winter storm watch in our western counties. Most of the snow expected to fall between 7 p.m. Saturday and 7 a.m. on Sunday. Already a winter weather advisory there for Sioux Falls and Sioux City and northwestern Iowa. We do expect these advisories or watches to get extended out for the rest of our viewing area, and maybe even could see a winter storm warning in spots. But as we go through, let's take a look at the Clipper system that is going to be moving through Nebraska into Kansas and then eventually Missouri. That's all to our south. That means we're on the cooler side of the system where all of that moisture can be found. So this is 6 o'clock. That snow starts to work its way into our far western counties, and then really we'll just kind of expand out and take over from there. 8 o'clock, still not seeing it to the east of I-380, but the western half certainly is. And then finally, we're just covered by it starting at 10 o'clock. Now this could bring some pretty impressive snowfall rates. You see the darker blues here, so that will accumulate pretty quickly. And we'll just continue to see the snow. This is midnight and 2 a.m. still covering most of the area. After 2 a.m. it's working out of our northwestern counties, and then eventually everybody is done with it by sunrise on Sunday. High pressure will be tracking in behind that. It'll push the clouds out, but that's what keeps us nice and cold for the day on Sunday to close out the weekend. Here's the snowfall forecast. I did change it a little bit from what I had this morning. The dark blue, that's where we expect 3 to 5 inches. I did kind of raise that further off to the north. So right now, I would say those that will see the less snowfall, 1 to 3, will be the counties along the Mississippi River and south of I-80. Most everybody else, 3 to 5. So it's going to be enough to bust out the shovels and the snow blowers. It is going to be a dry, fluffy snow because temperatures will be in the teens and low 20s, which will make it subject more to drifting throughout Sunday as well. So you want to factor that into your travel plans. Should be easier to shovel though with it being more lightweight. Beyond that, going to be a cold cleanup down to 10 below for the low on Monday morning. We'll rebound to a high of 33 on Tuesday before we start to drop yet again.